everyone. So some of you are maybe unsure of how to check out a book at the Danbury Library and get it through curbside pickup. So I wanted to make sure that you know how to do that. So say I wanted to request a book. I'm going to do this Twisted Tales because this is a book that I love. So I go to the Danbury Library website, which is danburylibrary.org. I search the catalog or website. Now, if you have gotten an email from me for book shopping, then this part has already been done for you. It'll bring you right to the catalog already. So you would have a link that looks like this. Okay, so I'm going to look through these books to see what one maybe I might want to select. Okay, so Part of Your World, that's a book that I have already read and loved. So in order to check out this book in the Danbury Library, you want to first make sure that you are logged in, okay? And then you are going to click this button right here, Request It. Now, this is asking me to log in. I'm not actually going to right now, but when you are logged in, a window will pop up on the side over here that says, that your materials are ready, or that your request has been received. Then you're going to get an email or a phone call from the library that your books are ready. And I've included also a video from the library that shows exactly how curbside pickup works for both in the car and on foot. So I really hope this is helpful for you so that you can get some books.